Attention guests, please unbuckle and lift up on
No, I usually don't do this type of crazy stuff, but do it for the YouTube channel, right? Flying. ¡Ay, fuck! ¡Ay, a la verga!
I got a bad feeling about this.
Good afternoon, everybody. We are in Beijing.
The amazing ride. I'm so excited.
Okay, wow.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello everybody, so I'm right here at Tigris at Busch Gardens in Tampa. So this is their latest roller coaster. This is a roller coaster that will launch you the highest in entire Florida. It will launch you over 150 foot. So it's just amazing because it actually launches you all the way up and then you come down and then it actually starts. It's just crazy. It's hard to explain. So we have to check it out. Let's go, guys. Wow, you guys, I'm so excited. So this ride just opened a few months ago. It's pretty crazy how it actually goes like front and backwards. It goes faster than a tiger. Oh my god, it's just crazy. I'm not gonna be able to take this camera with me, but I have my GoPro ready to go to show you guys this amazing ride here in Busch Gardens in Tampa. Wow, you guys, if that's not fast, I don't know what is. Okay, we have the GoPro ready. I'm gonna have to leave you guys. But wow!
Congratulations, you've
Are you guys ready?
Exiting guests, please unbuckle and lift up on your comfort collar and lap bar. Exit quickly and carefully to your right. Thank you for riding Tigris and have fun during the rest of your day at Busch Gardens.
Here we go!
Quickly into the seat that's directly in front of you. Pull the comfort collar up prior to seating. Once seated, pull the lap bar down and secure it firmly to your legs. Then secure
You need
the
this,
comfort
don't
collar
you?
to your lap bar.
You need this,
Once the
don't you?
comfort collar is secured,
Can I hold it?
pull up on the green stripe.
No!
If you are not riding
Bye
this
guys!
ride,
She said no.
Well, it's your lucky day. Are you guys ready? As you guys know, I usually don't do this type of crazy stuff, but do it for the YouTube channel, right? The other day you guys saw me flying. ¡Ay, fuck! ¡Ay, a la verga! You guys, it's time to eat.
Whoa, you guys! That was amazing. That was so much fun. Wow, you guys, it's so quick, but it's just amazing. So fast. I never experienced something like that in a roller coaster. It's like, wow. If you guys live nearby, wow, it's definitely worth it to come stop by and check out Busch Gardens' latest attraction. Wow, that was crazy.